this one has been coming, but we had been staying mute on it. Still reporting straight from Rochopayo 2024 in Resto Leadership High School. But then, despite not being in the studio, doesn't stop us from giving you update. Coming in officially from Dr. Otto, the political philosopher. He said, I will be seeking re-election for MP, Aru County Pade District 2026-2031 on an independent ticket. So this statement alone confirms two things. The first one, he had earlier said either MP or LC5 or Pade. But now he has come up with a clear clarification. He's coming for MP. So Komakech, prepare your seatbelt. And secondly, he also said his party actually will not have any party. He will be in the independent ticket. So that is also clear in the issue of the Republic Party, maybe going to FDC. Some people rumoring that he would go to NRM. All the things have been rubbished and trashed. Odonga goes ahead to say, I will be starting with 5,000 votes that I got despite my arrest, being blocked by soldiers from accessing the telecenter. Parliament needs a man called Otto. God's timing, yeah? If we remember very well, Dongato faced a lot of challenges, especially from security officials who, some of them caned him, get arrested. Some people also played propaganda that he's the one who killed Lokech, of which you already know that this cannot be true. And then, a few minutes, Dongato has had in another post. He's saying that my message to the people of Baru 2026 will be those who want to vote Kagwata Museveni to do so, and those who want to vote for His Excellency Boy Wine, etc., do so. Whoever you vote will not concern me as an independent candidate. What matters to me is the environment, poverty, and land protection. That is not yet enough. It does not summarize everything that Dongato had been posting. Finally, Dongato also said many have been questioning why I should not retire. Well, you expect a person of 43 years to retire? That is what Dongato has asked you. I am even young to even qualify for parliament pension, at least 2 terms and over 45 years of age. We may need a law in place to put a minimum age to contest for MP to be 35 years. That's what Dongato is saying. Minimum age for MP to be 35 is what Dongato is dreaming of. So those of you who are in 18, 20s, that's something coming in. I could call it a bombshell from Dongato. Well, still more will be coming on Acholi TV as usual. And if you're subscribed, you will always meet me. Thank you.